I have learned how to add a game over screen to my game so that after you have accumulated so many points, it will go to the screen saying that you have saved the world, and then it allows you to play the game again. So basically, it involved creating a new layout page, it involved creating a new event sheet, and adding more system events and commands. And also creating that page. So I'm going to go ahead and run the layout from the menu sheet here, which is the beginning of the game. To kind of show you what's been done. So you click the start button and it starts the game, and then you have to kill all the monsters, which I haven't yet made it to where Ukulele Man can die. I don't think I want him to die because I want you to be able to see every single chord that he shoots. And right now it only goes to score 14. I want to actually make a few more monsters emerge later on in the game so that it makes you have to go to a higher level than that. But this is the page, basically, the game over page that you get to once you've killed all the monsters. Congratulations, you've saved the world. And then it lets you play the game again. So it took me a little bit of troubleshooting. Some of the challenges that I had with that was there were really no instructions on how to get the game to start over. I mean, how to get the game to go to the game over page after you've just accumulated a certain score, which is what I wanted to happen instead of something happening like he reaches a final destination in the game or something like that, like you would do in a regular platform level game. What he had to do was he had to like kill all these monsters. Well, there's 14 of them so far in the game. So what I did in the actual game software is I created a rule that said, let me go to it here. I created a rule that said when the system sees that the score is equal to 14, the system will go to the layout of the game over screen. And then on the game over screen, I added a button like I did for the actual menu screen. And for the button, the rules that I made were that when the OK button or the play again button is clicked, it's going to go to the layout of game. Well, at first when I did that, I kept clicking, play again, and it would take me to the score being 14, and then it would not start the gameplay over again. So then I realized that what I needed to actually do is reset the global variables to default, because if you go over to the event sheet and look at score is set up as pretty much the only global variable in this particular game. So if you reset the global variables to 0 before you actually go back to the game layout, then it's going to let you start over from the beginning and start playing again to reach the score of 14 again, which you can see all the monsters kind of flying around because I haven't killed them or scared them away. But that's basically what I've been troubleshooting. I also did a little bit of work. Trying to figure out how to fix if you shoot the bullet. Let's see. Let me get to a place where there's not any monsters. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you shoot the bullet in this direction, but then you change the direction that he's pointing, it makes the bullet fly backwards. And I can't seem to find any advice on how to fix that yet. And I haven't. I keep on watching videos, like tutorials that other people have created, trying to find advice on how to fix that. So I'm just going to have to sit down and try to figure out the logic on my own by just troubleshooting, trying to get the bullet to mirror a different way. So that is my next goal for the actual game. And then what I also plan on doing more soon is working more on the articulate storyline part of the process. All right.